In the heart of North Charleston, a facility dedicated to the future became a playground for the next generation of innovators. Google's Family STEM Day welcomed a cross-section of the greater Charleston community. Families arrived with high energy and deep curiosity, but for many, Google's data centers were still a mystery. From coding and robotics to artificial intelligence and augmented reality, the day was about hands-on immersion. Google opened doors to engineering design and technical career paths, revealing a community hungry for high-quality, local tech opportunities.
Okay, for our final pixel, 680209.
North Charleston didn't just leave with prizes. They left with vivid, specific experiences they could truly articulate. Google Family STEM Day, empowering North Charleston, defining the future.